What's going on, guys? This is a 2014 Toyota Camry LE. I'm going to show you guys how to install a GNTX mirror. This is the GNTX 453. So in order to pull this little headliner thing out, what you got to do is there should be this little push thing. You click it and that'll come out. As you can see, and it'll be in. Let's pretend that this little headliner piece is in, right? And what you do is, over here at the very bottom, you try to bring your hand in and just pull. It's going to be very hard. I was scared at first as well, but you pull hard enough and all four clips should pop out. And then this should be hanging. Your headliner should be hanging off this. And you just press this little, or where is it at? Yeah, this little button right over here. You can't see it very well. Right over here. Press that or hold it and pull that, and the headliner right here should be free. And what you should see is, if you look back here, now it's gone because it's right over here, but when you come over here, you should be able to see this little plug, and it has 3 plugs in it. So we got you should see 3 plugs, and the black, you should see a black and white, which is ground, a gray, which is switched power, which is accessories. So when you switch your car on, your accessories will power on. And you should see a constant, which is for home link. I didn't use the constant because let's assume, hopefully not, but let's assume in theory somebody steals your car, or you're not home one day and you leave your car and somebody breaks in, and they could still use your little home link. So instead what I did is I just used it to switch power. So kind of, if the first thing they think about is using home link, I used it to switch power. So you do need the key in order to use home link, but that's me. You could use the constant power, which is the just plain white wire. But let me go ahead and repeat it. So black, white, negative, white, constant, and just straight up gray, that's switched accessory power. And yeah, I think that was it. But yeah, remember the little wire is in here. I went ahead and just pushed it. You should see it taped with like blue wire. At least that's how it was on my 2014 LE Camry. But you can just go ahead and push it back. That's what I did. I just push it through this little thing. I didn't have the OEM plug, so what I ended up just doing is just scraping the plastic. I can't focus, but scraping the little plastic off and poking a little hole through the wire and wrapping it around and using electrical tape to prove to you guys that this works. Here's the little key, and as you can see, 1 doesn't turn it on, but 2 turns it on, as you can see. And the compass is functional, as you can see. Home link functions too. Remember, this is only on switched power, power it off, just like a rear view mirror. And yeah, that's it. You guys please leave down in the comment section below if you need any help, and I'll try my best to help you out. Thank you. Bye.